Hello guys and welcome back to Small Town Life. I am your host Ben. Here on our channel we try to show some of the cool things that you probably wouldn't normally see if you lived in a city. And one of those cool things is the amount of wildlife that we get to enjoy over here. Also, to our fellow international viewers, you may not get to see a lot of these particular animals in your countries, but all the more reason why we want to share that experience with you guys. Here on the Sunshine Coast of British Columbia, we have a large variety of amazing wild animals that you get to see, some that you do want to see and some you don't. Some of the gooders that you can come across would be the deer, elk, you got your black bears, coyotes, your cougars or mountain lions, your bobcat, lynx, as well as a wide variety of the feathered friends, including the bald eagle. That's right, we got a lot of those over here. Even they're trying to get out of the US right now. Cough, cough. Anyways, I want to make sure that we can let you guys enjoy all of that kind of a splendid beauty. But sometimes when I'm taking the video clips of it, it's spur of the moment, and I don't always know how to, mostly due to my inexperience of video editing and video taking, my photography skills. And I want to be able to share that. Don't always know how, so I thought I'd make up a special little video, a little bit more dedicated to some of the wildlife that I've been able to quickly capture and let you share in the bliss. It's a different pace than my usual ones, you know, because sometimes you'll have some of the ones of just wild animals doing their own thing. Other times you'll have our farm animals doing their own thing. Yeah. And then sometimes we even have interactions between our domesticated animals and our wild animals. Like these guys. Yeah, these things happen. But all the more reason why I try and get the phone out in time, or whatever recording device I have, take a quick shot if I can. Sometimes I'm just not so lucky. Sometimes I'm just enjoying it myself and forget to even get the phone out. I'm learning. But we'll let you guys see for yourselves some more of the other goodies. Yeah. It's another beautiful day. Checking out the yard. Seeing our friendly neighborhood deer coming to check up on us. Make sure we're doing okay. And there was another one hiding over here somewhere. We got a lot of you guys this year. How's it going? Yeah, you're curious. Don't worry. As you guys can see, they're not very tall, these guys. Elk, on the other hand, about twice their size. Hey, I'm trying to grow those. Just another typical day. Living in a smaller rural place in BC. I want to point out, it's not best to approach wild animals, especially if you've never really experienced them in the first place before. They'll mess you up. Now you'll think, oh, this is just a tiny little deer. What can this thing do? A kick is a kick. They'll still have some pretty good heft to their kicks. They'll go up on their front, kind of punch you out, or kick you with their rear. When they got antlers, they're pointy. They can kind of get in there. Keep your distance. Be smart. You can still enjoy the wildlife, even when they're in your own backyard. Guys, I'm trying to let those grow. Not the maple. You're skittish today. So yeah, enjoy them. You gotta see them all the time, but you guys don't, so we'll let you see them. Losing your winter coat. Looking all scruffy. I can relate. Could you not? Thank you. Tasty buds. So, how do you guys usually get to enjoy your weekends? Yeah. Have your neighbors come over for uninvited dinner? Shaky camera. Hey, buddy, hop up. There you go. You too. Go follow Mama. Good jump. There. Some of the beauty. I know a lot of hunters are looking at that going, oh. Still haven't gotten my hunter license. I'd rather record them right now. But that's just me. They are tasty though. I had to mute the original sound clip to this one due to the screaming kids enjoying the view of this. No, that is not a dog, that is a coyote on the hunt. And it is enjoying soon to be a wonderful meal of a nice, big, fat, plump, juicy mouse. That's right. These guys like going after small rodents and other things, but you do have to have caution because they also like to go after your pets, your cats, smaller dogs, even sometimes larger dogs because they do hunt in packs. So you do have to be careful with your fur babies. Got to be careful with them to not let them roam around free or they will end up on the dinner too. Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Nice. Oh, I wasn't even looking at it. Nice and shiny, smooth. It's hunting for small little creatures. You're so tiny. Look at you.
A couple of them are looking a little rough.
Just losing their winter coat. Deer parade. Yep. So I'm trying to help you guys understand the size some of the animals we got around here. And, you know, we've seen some of the deer in other clips. And, you know, average sized deer. But then we've talked about elk. And this here is a hoof print from an elk. My shoe size for comparison. That's similar to the size of a cow's hoof print. Now, I think I do have over here, it's kind of hard to see, but this here, it's a deer's hoof print. That's it. Deer, elk. Completely different range of size. Got another foot mark there, or hoof mark from a deer. Just trying to once again show you guys, like, in comparison. Tiny. The elk around here can get pretty big. Still nothing compared to a moose. Those guys will take you right out. But they're still pretty big. Also making honorable mentions to the ones I have yet to capture more of are our aquatic friends. We got lots of seals, sea lions, whales, killer whales, dolphins, otters, and other cute little fuzzy things like that we sometimes come across. Once again, I will get some more footage of some of those. I mean, I got a little bit of a seal popping his head up, looking around for a quick little second, going down. One of the other reasons why I enjoy going down to the beach for a bit. See what I can find. Usually I'll come across some of the sandpipers, which I do really enjoy because they're pretty cool. And then there are a lot of other waterfowl and other birds I just like to follow along the coastline. For you. Because sharing is caring. So guys, if you like what you're seeing, share. Show your friends, your family. Give a like, comment. I'd like to hear from you guys. Also helps boost the noticeability on the algorithms. But seriously, I'd like to hear from you. If you want to toss in the comment, you know, like, of the bears, what's your favorite type of bear? And yes, pandas do count. Koalas. All the other types. Let's hear what you got. Which is your favorite type of bear? Once again, guys, thanks for tuning in and watching. Have an awesome one.